Last week, we talked about reality and illusion, about how important it is to remove the veil of ignorance. This is Lord Buddha. I am delighted to welcome you to this podcast at the Spiritual University of Earth and the Galaxy at NAMAS University, a place and community that helps people evolve under the guidance of their soul and Shambhala. In this lecture, we will talk about knowledge in your life. What is the importance of knowledge and how to apply it? The one who possesses knowledge as his tools in his life and applies it in practice for the realization of his incarnation is protected from outside influence. Knowledge gives you inner guidance so that no one can influence you and take you out of your inner balance and harmony. This is a very important aspect because you perceive everything that surrounds you through harmony or disharmony. The quality of your life and those around you depends on your inner state. If your condition is of high quality, then your thoughts, actions, and relationships will be complete and unpolluted. They will radiate love, light, spirituality, the state of a soaring bird in the sky, and vice versa. A low-quality state leads to anxiety, suspicion, imbalance, and fear. Everything that exists is just a vibration. Where there is a vibration, there must be sound. Hence, everything that exists is sound. Consciousness is the highest aspect that the Creator has endowed you with. It is infinite. How do you calm your mind and achieve harmony in your physical body? Cleansing meditation practices allow anxiety to gradually disappear from your body. The mind becomes calmer and more balanced. In constant practice, you achieve harmony and concentration. You can feel the inner silence where the divine living in each of you is invoked, and from there expands into harmony around you. You can find such cleansing meditations at NAMAS University. They will allow you to understand and realize more deeply the need for such work on yourself. As you purify and expand your consciousness, you will see the light within you, light and love, which you can direct to any place where it is needed, not only within your own space, but also for all that exists. Such an experience will be the foundation for the full realization of the divine mission. For many, it will be a great revelation to move from one state to another. It will be a first encounter with self without an illusory perception. Spend more time in nature. Purify your body and mind with the sounds and silence of nature. Walk barefoot as much as possible. This is a direct contact and connection with Mother Earth, who cleanses and grounds all your accumulated negative energy. Mother Earth is always ready to come to your aid and give you healing. Your healing is in everything, both within you and outside of your consciousness. That is all I wanted to talk about today. I will return to you next week. Be in joy. My blessings to all of you. This was Lord Buddha. This lecture was received by Larissa Maximenko and voiced by Deborah Lee Flynn. We are delighted to announce the next on-site classes at NAMAS University, Merrymount Nature Station in Quincy, Massachusetts, USA, on April 26th and 27th, 2025. Registration is now open. Please contact Donald Flynn. You will find the link in the description below for the website, ecotonene.com, to sign up for these classes. This 2-day program will enhance and deepen your awareness and personal connections to AMAYA, the ancestry spirits of nature, nature beings, galactic beings that share planet Earth AMAYA. Please join us, teachers Charles Onwulata, Donald Flynn, and Deborah Flynn. In the text below this video, you will find a link to the Discord platform, a small purple circle in front of the word Discord, where study groups have been created. There you can find like-minded people to share experiences, discuss and learn, as well as a lot of other useful information. Please join us next week. You must be aware of what is happening now on Earth, in our galaxy, and space. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your likes and reviews will help more light souls to hear us.